Yeah, my CW tones sound like shit when I transmitting it. I was blaming the RF, maybe getting into the audio section of the camera, because with this camera I'm recording audio from the radio, and when the CW sounded like the CW tone sounded like something was dying. So I'm gonna try these. This is a wireless microphone. I'm gonna hook this one up to the camera, to this camera, and I'm gonna hook this one up to my headphones. My headphones got a jack right here. Okay, can you see there? Right here. You can see it there clearly out because yeah. Hook up the microphone there, and the receiver is gonna be on the camera. See how that works out. Okay. Okay. That's what it takes.